Are you seeking a high-return EA that has achieved a 1,201% profit over a period of 18 months, with a moderate drawdown of only 15.82%? If so, stay glued to your seats and watch the entire video. This is the EA I am talking about. Over a period of 18 months, this EA transformed an initial investment of $12,000 into a net gain of 1,222.02%. And it did that with just 15.82% drawdown. On average, it manages to generate monthly profit of 16.02%. Its average profit is $99.69 while its average loss is $198.13. It has a risk-to-reward ratio of almost 2:1, but in the long run, it has proven to be profitable. It trades in 5 pairs, out of which GBPUSD is the most profitable one, followed by USDCHF, USDCAD, AUDUSD, and the least profitable pair is EURUSD. One of the ways to find out whether an EA uses martingale or not is by checking for lot multiplication in its trade history. The author has hidden the lot size. So for now I don't know what strategy it deploys. Another way to find if it is a grid or martingale EA is to see if there are a group of trades of the same currency pair closed at the same date. Here all the trades were closed at different dates. So it doesn't look like it uses martingale or grid. I heard that after a loss, it opens a really big lot size for recovery. In 2023, the highest monthly profit was 89.22%, which was in March, and that for 2024 was 11.46% in January. After which the profit ranged from 2% to 5%. Well, the time has come to do backtest, which I'll be carrying out for a year. The initial deposit is $1,000, and I will use less aggressive preset. I will go with the GBPUSD pair since this is the best performing pair, and 1 hour is the recommended time frame. Let's first go to the results section. The initial lot size is 0.01. But if I scroll below, you can see the lot increase from 0.01 to 0.04, 0.03, and even 0.14. This EA started with a $1,000 balance, and in 1 year it generated a net profit of $1,955.53, or 195.55%. During this time the max drawdown was 25.33%, which is not that bad. Its accuracy of short position 1 was 79.31% and that of long position 1 was 80.34%. Its average profit was $6.50, with the biggest win being $229.60. Likewise, its average loss was $13.87 with the biggest loss being $102.30. Let's start with how this EA works. This is a trend following EA. So here when the price was going up, it took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 separate buy trades. On its 8th buy trade, which was 0.01 lot at 0.86618, turned out to be a losing trade, and closed down here at 0.86016 in loss. After that, the recovery mechanism came into play. So on its next trade, instead of buy, it took a sell trade with 0.16 lot at 0.86016. And it closed the trade in profit down here. So this EA rides the trend, and when there is a loss, it takes opposite side trades at a much higher lot size for recovery. I used $1,500 account for this EA. And regarding the preset, I used the less aggressive one. I used 4 pairs on it, which are GBPUSD, AUDUSD, USDCAD and USDCHF. This EA is really active and there is always some open trades. This EA generated $94.78 from $1,500 capital in 19 days.